Sit down.
Where is it? Let me have it.
No, not right now. Sit down.
Can you let me have it? Like, yeah.
Put me on 39 call.
Let me out!
Yeah.
Fuck!
It has cameras.
Savannah, where's these hoes at? Ah! Can I get out? Can I please get out of here?
A second. What you
Ask him, I told him. He wouldn't let me get my shoes. I'm pointing at my shoes. He wanted to get out of here. That's me. That's my new ID picture. I want to get out of here. I got to get my cousins. They're not about to listen to you all. Like, please. I wasn't even trying to fight them. I'm right there. Why am I sitting in the police car? And I'm trying to get my cousins. And they sitting there allowed across the street. I'm confused.
I told you go back across the street and you sprinted towards that.
He let me go. When I went to go get my cousins, I said, I got to get her. He let me go.
You went sprinting towards that.
He let me go. I went to go get my cousins. So, like, be for real. Let me out! It's hot in here. I can't breathe. Please let me out. It's hot in here. Savannah! Savannah! Bitch! Get me out of here! Savannah! Anna! Get me out of here! Get me out. I want to get out. So, like, for real. I'm not worried about them. I want to go home.
Yes.
Can you get me out?
Well, all right. Here's the thing: is do you understand why you're in the car?
Yeah, he said I ran up to the girl.
It's because you wouldn't stop fighting. How many times were you told to
Are
stop
you
fighting?
serious right now?
I'm dead serious.
When I was getting my
When the
cousins for
police
fighting
are
them.
here, no. When the police are here pulling everyone apart, and you keep trying to attack other people, that's not
crazy.
acceptable. Okay?
I did that one
the
time.
initial fight, no one got arrested from the initial fight. You're not arrested for that. You're arrested because
I got my
you
cousins
stop.
3 different times.
You
I
wouldn't
got my
stop
cousins.
after all the warnings.
Are you
That's where you broke
serious?
everyone up. You kept trying to get back
I got
at
my
them.
cousins 3 different times.
That's why you're in the car. Do you understand that?
Yes, can you let me in another car? I will go. I'm trying to go home. I want to go home.
Okay, well,
because I got my cousins 3 different times.
Right now, you're in the car. You're under arrest. Do you understand that?
Exactly, but the man just said I can get out the car, so I'm just confused.
I told him it depends on your attitude.
I don't have an attitude. I have a 4-year-old. I'm trying to go home. I don't even care.
Then you
what's
shouldn't
going
be
on.
out here 2:30 in the morning fighting with other girls.
I literally trying to get my cousins.
And then not listening when the police
Only
are
time.
breaking everyone
Can I
up.
say something, please?
Sure.
The only time that I'm literally serious right now. The only time that I ran up on the girl when she said something about my cousin. That's dead. My cousin.
You were borderline assaulting the officer, and I saw it. Are you really gonna talk to me like this? That I didn't see what was happening?
That's literally.
He's dragging you away, and you're smacking at him to get past him. I don't need to because you're telling me things that aren't true.
Exactly. So that's the time that I ran up on a girl. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. When she started talking about my cousin that killed herself, that's the only reason that we're fighting right now. That's the only. And I literally said I'm ready to go home.
I'm not upset about
I don't care.
I mean, I am. I don't want.
That's my
fighting,
only
but the
time.
thing is,
I'm not gonna argue with you.
When the police
So
are
you're
here
right.
pulling
Okay,
everyone
whatever.
apart,
whatever. You're right.
That's
you're
the real
officer,
issue. That's
so
why you're in the car.
I just literally said you're
because
right.
You didn't know when to stop.
And that's so crazy because I'm stopping everybody until I react and I'm sitting in the police car.
Until you're pushing against the police, that should be an indication that we're doing something wrong, right?
And everybody's swinging at the police and now I'm in the police
That was not the case at all.
You wasn't even watching them.
I was standing right there.
It's okay. I don't care. I just want to get home. I'm okay.
All right.
I don't care.
Hang tight.
I don't care. For real.
We're 23. For you need that.
Go get my shoes where I left my shoes.
Okay.
We'll have to wait for you, okay? That's when the weekend we're coming.
Ready?
Yeah. Y'all gotta get this. Let me get my hair down here.
Well, I will in a minute. So, this is your summons. It'll be at Akron Municipal Court at 1 o'clock p.m. on the 29th. Huh?
What day?
It's on the 29th. So
What
it's a
day is
Wednesday.
that? Wednesday?
Yeah, next Wednesday.
Okay, Wednesday's not my day. I could go Wednesday.
Well, yeah, Monday they're closed anyways, so.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's going to be Wednesday the 29th at 1 p.m. That'll be at Akron Municipal Court on the corner of Bowery and Broadway. Alright. I'm going to get you out of the cuffs.
Okay.
Once he gets your hand out, just put it on the hood until he's done, alright?
Everything's gone. Y'all know my phone rang. Y'all still got
It's right there.
Yeah,
just hold on a minute. Alright.
So who else going to court besides me?
You.